Hey guys, what is up? Welcome. I'm muted. No, I'm not. There we go. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for crypto-related news and technicals. I am your host, Martin, and tonight we're going to be talking about, will crypto recover? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here in a second. Yeah, there we go. It worked on YouTube today. Great. Guys, I am going to try to keep it the stream tonight to about an hour. So I'm just going to take requests, and we're just going to go into about an hour. I did something in my throat yesterday. It's not hurting a lot, but I don't want to overdo it because even I can feel my voice. It's not the same as it usually is. But thank you guys for being here. Let's get rolling. Someone sub. Thank you very much for subbing. Madison, what's up? You're going to be here until your phone dies? Well, I hope your phone never dies so you can always be here forever and ever. Andrew, what is up? Yo, Ada, sure, let's get that on the list. Jack Proc, yo, what's up, bro? I was going to say, bro. Gavin Goodry, checking in, driving for Lyft. Awesome, bro. Be careful when you're driving. Try not to, we look at the stream too much. Just listen. Safe driving. And Jeff Royd says, yo, what's up, Jeff? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. How's it going, bro? Hope you're doing good. Let's get rolling here, man. Let's get rolling into this stream. Let's get the party started. Let's go look at the main screen. Let's see what's happening with market cap. Did we go down more? Yes, I think we did. Oh no, we're breaking the triangle. Where are we gonna go? Well, we're breaking to the downside. We could be getting a fake breakout. We know sometimes we get fake breakouts, and I'm hoping that's gonna be the case. I'm not sure if this is what we're gonna get though. But fake breakouts, usually what they do is we'll drop a little bit and then we'll recover and burst through again, right? Or break back into this area sometimes and then just play it again. So hopefully we'll get a fake breakout. I'm really not hoping that, our faith is to go lower and hit prices of, way back here. I would put us somewhere around here, man. January 2021. Beginning of January for a lot of projects, right? At least for market cap. Right now, it's sitting at $1.45 trillion. Yesterday, we lost $23 billion. Today, we're going down a little bit more still, right? We're going down 3.77, but it looks as though we're getting exhausted, right? Every time we're going down, it looks as the bars are starting to become less and less, at least from yesterday and today. So not too bad. Hopefully, like I said, we might get some rest. Hopefully, and try to pump again. Not sure that's going to be the case. I'm not getting the cleanest. We're going to be bullish signal right now. But sitting neutral at 40.14. That is it for market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 45.66. Going from a high point to a low point. High point to a low point. And then a low point to a higher point, right? So we are creating some hidden bearish divergence here on the Bitcoin dominance. And we're struggling a bit, but really not going down a lot. Just neutral. Right, moving sideways with that hidden divergence. I usually don't tend to draw a lot of divergence here on the chart, right, for dominance. I don't think it's that important. It'll just let us know how dominant we're going to be. That's it. Doesn't really tell us anything about the price. Anyways, going down yesterday, going up 0.63% today. Another small amount, 0.11%. Not too bad. Let's go check out Bitcoin at 35,407. Where are we at, man? Let's go to the clean chart first. Where's our clean chart? Is it this one? I think it's this one. Yeah, is it this one or this one? I think it's this one and this one. They're both clean. All right. Nope. This one. All right. So we had that hidden divergence action to the downside, right? We still have this strong bullish that could try to get us to go higher if we felt to drop lower than this previous low. Again, we were playing around with the idea yesterday of having a complex inverse head and shoulders, which we don't know yet if that is going to be the case, right? Look at this. Here it is. We're still going down. We're still at shoulder level for this. Have not yet reached shoulder level for this low, so we still come down here before we actually go back up again. And then we try to break those necklines. So some things to look for, right? One, I'm considering the head and shoulders to the bodies right now. Some people might say that the wicks do tend to come into play, and the fact that we have this wick here that is very large would be negating the pattern, because then this would be the lowest point, right? So our head and shoulders here would just not play out, because this is definitely lower than this low here. So our shoulder would be higher or lower than the head, right? But if we go with the bodies, I think we could see this, and particularly if we go with in the light candles. We're going to be able, or light charting, so we're going to be able to see this, right? Like, boop, 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 right, starting to form. So, again, it just really depends. I like to go with where traders are settling at. Some people might say the wicks are going to play against us and still yet to be determined. Let's get here on the Bitcoin. Let's go back to the chart we usually look at and gauge where we are at. We're still below that 20 moving average. We are rejecting 35,733. Not too good, right? Losing a support. Where can we go upon that rejection? Well, next target would be here at 33,309. That's what we could be looking for. We could also look at this and say, look, we're coming from a low point to a slightly lower point here, right? So low to a lower low. And here, look, we're going from a low point, right? This is 41.81. This 41.94, still slightly higher, but by a very small amount. So if we could say we're going slightly higher and say, there's strong bullish divergence that's developing here. If you don't want to do that and you just want to say, look, this is the closing, right? This is still slightly lower than we were before. And go low or same low here, right? And then we go negative, less negative. Medium bullish divergence, right? To yesterday, and then till today, we could even say having weak bullish divergence. We have strong bullish divergence, but you just want to say sideways motion here. I'll just be saying it's weak bullish divergence, right? So that's it for Bitcoin on the daily. We are neutral at 41.80 on that RSI. Not looking too strong for the market lately, right? We've just said that. Just because we found bullish stuff does not mean we have to go bullish. We also found bearish stuff on a couple of other projects. We're looking for the hidden divergence. Are we holding it? Yes, we still have it to here. That still tracks to here. It still tracks to here. We're sitting sold at 34.98. What is up, Jason? Thanks for being here. Preparing for war. What's up, dude? And Elon Musk of lurking. And Edward. Dude, sorry if I'm not saying hi. I'm only going to be here for about an hour. My throat is not feeling the greatest. So I do want to take it easy. Yesterday was hurting towards the end of the stream, so take it easy today. Let's get a lock skill. Here we go, right? Anyways, high to low, high to low, and high to low. Sold at 34.90. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. Well, no, not 1 hour chart last night. We're looking for this bullish divergence, right? Even until we were here. We're looking for that potential action to the upside, right? We got our move up. Great. We went higher than the previous high. More positive momentum. Higher still, right? High to low. Positive was positive and high to low. So really nothing bearish. We could still try to run off this bullish divergence if we felt to drop lower than this previous low. And even then, right now we're starting to make that negative momentum. It's very small, right? It's a very small island. We could still drop slightly lower here. Even 35,000. Then we'll be anchoring low, lower low, or negative. Sorry, low on the other side to a higher point. And be creating bullish divergence. Strong, right? I'm just going to have to whisper it, yeah, I think so. So I'm just going to move to what we have on the list. Right on, dude. I need to add some projects here to the list. Today's ZBT day, Jeju, data. Here we go. Let's look at Ethereum on the daily, right? All right, so Ethereum. We're starting to move down still. We're looking for that bullish divergence, which is obviously not playing. Today confirmed that we're not going for it, right? We managed to make more negative momentum. So we were still hoping yesterday that the fact that we had it on the 18th, there was a chance we could have closed here on the upside and say, yo, this divergence is holding. Right now, we no longer have it. So divergence that we're looking for in the daily, it's gone. We are neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.13 on the 4 hour chart. I was looking here for something to bounce maybe. So we'll see how that's behaving. This might be from the 1 hour chart. But here, that double bottom still very looks very real, right? Potential double bottom. We have not yet made it. Low to high, negative, less negative, and a low to high. Sold 33.14. Not yet confirmed. We don't have anything else. Right? The line to break here, if you want to draw a line, will be coming like this. Right? Rejection, 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 rejection. All right, so we need to get above this line I just drew. That is our, we're going to call it our trend line resistance, right? Sold at 33.14. There's nothing bullish again. There's really not a lot happening with the market, so that also helps with us trying to keep this as a short stream, right? Because I really should stay here forever, man, but I need to rest up that voice. Tomorrow's Father's Day. I'm not sure if I'm going to be here tomorrow for a stream, right? We'll discuss. If you're in the Discord, you'll know if there's going to be a stream tomorrow. There might not be a stream. Depends on how tired I am from Father's Day things. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, right? Falling wet, or 3 fallen peaks. Failing to break back above that line, which looks like a joke, man. It's like, all right, this was one of the patterns that we're looking for to see if it was going to play out. It was a bearish pattern, right? We'll see, Alon. Thank you very much for being here. So, looking at the 3 fallen peaks, we're not getting either the top part confirmation that we're not at 3 fallen peaks pattern, Nor are we getting this bottom line confirmation that would say, yo, we're not in a 3 falling peaks pattern. We're within the range. I'm laughing. I find it funny because I was hoping that we're going to get definition by today and say, yo, we're breaking that to the upside and no longer there. I was actually expecting us to go slightly lower. And I even said the warning, right? If this goes lower, we confirm that we're still coming somewhere down here, right? With a less negative momentum, right? And a higher point on the RSI, we're going to be creating bullish divergence strong. And it might make it so where the 3 falling peaks is not going to play out. So it's don't look like it's there right now. I mean, it's still, this is the 3rd peak that we're getting, but it's not looking as clean anymore. We also look low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing bullish. We're just waiting. That's it. It's a waiting game. I was looking here for the move, right? This is the move I was calling for. Down and up. I was expecting to get it here, right? We still went down. Not where I was expecting to go, but, you know, we're still coming down here. So my pattern or what I'm looking for here is still here. Still waiting to see if this move is going to play out, right? That's the move I'm looking for on Ethereum. There's nothing happening here, man. Let me zoom in here. Let's see if we created something, but this is slightly high and this is slightly, they're about the same high. Look at this, right? Right, yeah, same high. And then we're, dude, not doing anything here. Nothing in Ethereum. We're waiting. We might get definition tomorrow, right? Royal Gamers, what is up?
What's up?
So tomorrow, I might be here because we might be breaking this to the downside. I'm not sure why I'm getting that feeling that we might go down. Again, I don't want to sound bearish. I don't want to be bearish, but I'm getting the feeling that we're probably going to go down. Still yet to be determined. We'll see. Let's go to Binance. Did you tell me the Bitcoin death cross just happened? Maybe it did. I'm not sure. This is what we copied from the stream. Let's get this out here. Bitcoin death cross still not there. Right, look. I'll go here. I'll go here. We'll make the 50 a thicker line. We'll make the 200 also a thicker line. Here we go. All right, so these 2 thicker lines that are about to cross, those make the dead cross. We don't have it yet, right? So it hasn't happened yet. We also did this exercise yesterday, right? Where we looked at the Bitcoin crosses in the past and how they played and where they went. So here we had a 50 under the 200, right? And then after we got it, dropped down a bit, and then we started to recover here, right? Look at that. Here's the cross, right? I made them ticker on purpose so you get to look at them and say, yo, here we're getting that death cross, dropping a little bit, and then we started on a recovery, right? To not drop lower again, right? But this, we could say that this large move basically advanced that death cross to happen. So let's look for another one, right? Again, quick exercise for this. Here, look, that 50 and that 200 crossing, we recovered a little bit, dropped slightly lower, and then we started on a recovery that later on brought this other cross, right? This other dead cross. We had a golden cross, that lower low there, but we also looked at this yesterday, right? We did this play. Got a cross here, right? Drop slightly lower, then yeah, we just went downhill. But also after that dead cross, dropped and then recovered slightly, right? Rejecting the 200 again. Sorry, death cross here. After this death cross, sorry, right? We had a slight move down and we saw a recovery. Very nice recovery, right? So just because like the death cross happens does not mean we're just going to go down immediately. We did end up going slightly lower, right to here. But after that death cross, we just went down a bit. That wasn't the end of things. So then later on, we did go farther down. But immediately after that death cross here, we pumped, right? which, yeah, that's it for this, man, right? Let's go back to a regular chart. So waiting on Ethereum. Let's check out Binance. Right on. So on the daily, these lines are from the 1 hour. Too bad they didn't stick there. Right on. Let's send this back to daily. And let's get the show started. Here we go. High to low, low to high, hidden divergence, sideways, breaking below the support, now becoming a resistance, 336. So breaking there should lead us to where we retest the 618 at $281, neutral at 41.18. Let's go on that 4-hour chart. No lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing bullish, nothing bearish right now. I was just following Bitcoin, man. Line to beat is this one. That's a price to beat if we want to go on a bull trend. Right? Liking on the likes, yo, we are. Thank you, Jake, for noticing. If you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have been pinned on top of the chat for YouTube. So again, potential 3 fallen peaks. Here we kind of broke higher, so here we'll be negating that 3 fallen peaks pattern. But the fact that we fell into drop, it leads us to where this could be the 3rd peak, right? So 1, 2, 3, starting to go down a bit. It's a long day. Our boss, what is up, dude? Thanks for the follow. I know, it's been a long day, man. High to low, low to high, right? Hidden divergence. Hidden divergence. And that's it, dude. That's what we're getting here, right? Hidden bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Low to high, man, right? And also here, we're just going sideways. So that's it. Some hidden divergence, breaking us back down. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high, neutral at 40.30. Still pointing down on that RSI, so no indication that we want to try to reverse right now. There's really not a lot happening from yesterday. We did go up a little bit, coming back down a little bit. Jeff, what is up? Thanks for being here, man. Yes, it's just going to be a short stream today. It's about an hour. So 10:30 or so, I think I'm going to be cutting off. So let's go to Litecoin. All right, Litecoin, $152. Again, I did something to my throat yesterday, so it's hurting a bit. I don't want to overdo it. So high to low, low to high, low to high. Coming back down. Bullish divergence. Getting that pop. Again, that bearishness breaking us back down on this move down. All right. There's 2 things we could do. And the one I think I'm going to go for is this one. Okay, the other one was going to be draw from here to here, but this feels a little bit better because we're still coming from a negative momentum to a positive and a low point to a high point still, right? So strong bullish divergence. We should be aiming for that retest of $163, but we're not going to get it if Bitcoin doesn't pump. It's just, the way it is. On the 4-hour chart, we had bullish divergence. We just moved sideways, drop lower, more negative, lower still. We are not creating anything bullish. Low, you can say sideways, negative, less negative, and we could be saying medium bullish divergence, right? Medium bullish divergence for potential action. Ooh, I want to do that one. I went to the line. Here we go. Medium bullish for potential reversal. So again, double bottom here, right? That W shape that a lot of people like, it's happening here. It's coming into view with divergence, as we should be getting when we're creating double bottoms. Now, is it going to take off from here? I'm not sure yet. I would actually like it to drop a little bit more. If it drops a little bit more, right, even here, we'll still be making a double bottom, but with strong bullish divergence, and then we could be looking for some even better action to the upside. So that's something to keep in mind. Here on the 1-hour chart, again, coming down, right, and then low, slightly lower, negative, less negative, low to high, strong bullish divergence, right? That's what I was saying just over for the For the 4-hour chart, we have it here. We're starting to create that strong bullish divergence for that potential action to the upside. It's going to be interesting if we can get this, right? If we get this to play, test of $156.36 would be in order. That would be the 20 moving average. If we get above that zone, retest of 163. Going back below, I mean, we do have support here on some fibs, and we should be aiming for a retest of this 382 at $150. And if we break there, we could be looking at that 236 at $100, right? So that's it for Litecoin. Let's check out RSR. RSR at 2.8. It is trying to recover a little bit from where it was yesterday. I'm just not seeing it very, very strong right now. But, you know, we gapped up. Look at this. This is freaking insane. Gapped up and now we're moving down, right? There's really not a lot of volume here. Sold at 37.70, a 4-hour chart. High to low, and high to low, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We didn't even get to 20 and we're rejecting. And same lines that we could draw here, right? Look at that. There's a line, or didn't stay there. Here we go. So rejection, right? Rejection with the wick, rejection. So we could be aiming for a lower area to value, so we could create some strong bullish divergence and get this to pump. It's the only thing I'm seeing right now. It's just like the market's not strong, right? So we shouldn't paint it as it is strong. It's just, it's there. Like, can it pump with nothing? Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have to have bullish divergence to pump. Just the sentiment has to be there right now. I don't think the market feels really bullish. Right? Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. High to low, and high to low. So nothing bearish, nothing bullish. From here to here, we did end up creating some divergence at 2 in the morning. And this is hidden divergence, right? That we're making. Hidden bearish. And that got us to go sideways for a little bit. We just ended up inevitably dropping because we're not strong enough to sustain these prices. That's what's happening with the market, right? That's what the market's telling us. We're not strong enough to sustain current prices. So that euphoria that we're getting that the market might not go down don't look too hot right now. The vol has been going down a little bit. 0.142 cents. Let's go here to SouthX and see how this is working out. What is happening here with this, man? Still stuck at 4. It's going down because Bitcoin went down in value. That's it. It's really not doing anything. It's just flatlining. 4-hour chart, we're getting the same deal. So nothing has changed in our analysis from yesterday. Right? We're just stuck at that 4 sat mark. And on the daily, we're also not going to be getting anything. So I'm not going to be updating any analysis because from yesterday till today, nothing has changed. We're just stuck at the same level. Let's go check out a DVT. Not DVT, sorry, what would do that one? Jeju. Bad juju for buddy Andrew, who requested, yo, can you do Juju coin? And that's it. Sure. Jeju Dash, Wet, Ethereum, Elon, Moon. I'm not sure. We should call it something like lengthy, because a lot of these coins have lengthy names. High to low, high to low. Again, starting to go slightly green. Trying to hold support at the 618. That is fine. Trying to get above that 20 moving average. It's also fine. Yesterday, did okay. Hit that 50% retrace and pump and rejected. So if we stay above that 618, could start to aim to get a retrace happening here. And again, what we know is that most retraces tend to happen between that 382 and that 618. So this is the golden area, or the main area, for retraces to happen, right? And we can do deeper retraces to that 786, but we're in a place where we can start pumping again. We're above the 20, trying to stay above there. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour, we have not really been getting a lot of reads in the market, right? Look, low, high, negative, less negative. Not really doing a lot. It's just been rejecting the 20 consistently, right? So low, rejection, right? I remember, Andrew, when I told you it's a good time to probably get out because you're like highly, you're pushing it with this project. I think you got out. I'm not sure when you got out. But ever since back here, I was telling you, it's starting to get really, really weird, man, because you're just pumping, but there's really no more technicals for the rally. And last thing we had was this hidden divergence, which we tried to rally with, and that's it. Like, we don't have anything else that's breaking us down. I think it's just highly overbought. We're just not getting that read here because it's not happening here. But interesting, right? You got back in yesterday? Nice. Good luck with that. Right now it's rejecting the 20. So if I were to draw some sort of line, I'll probably be drawing something like this. This would be one line, definitely, that we have to break, right? This is a main trend line, I would say. If we want to go with a shorter line, we could shift that point to here and we could re-anchor. Well, yeah, we could re-anchor there and say, yo, rejection, right? So we would need to get above this line. If you want to see this project go on this short-term bull trend, staying below that line, even if you get above that 20, you're going to have this resistance. And failing to break it would bring potential action to the downside still. On the 1 hour chart, right? I forgot to anchor this one on the 4. Send it back. Send it back to the 4th. We had this bullish divergence. We had this hidden bearish. Bullish divergence, like I said, right? Sometimes bullish divergence tends to win over the bearish divergence, which seems to be what is happening here. This always at 0, so I'm going to have to zoom in here a little bit more. It could be that this divergence shifted positions, right? And we've seen that happen before. So yeah, definitely went slightly higher, right? And then this is tracking on. So we already knew we are going to get that divergence. Went down, hit that 20, popped. Still have had that hidden divergence. Now we're not longer strong enough to, push through it. Breaking down low to high, right? Even here, short term. Let's see, low, lower. Are we going less negative? We might be. Yeah, we are creating some strong bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, Jeju, something else, coin. Jeju Doge. Look, here we go. Pumping, hitting that 20, rejecting. There's no bearish divergence right now, right? High, lower high, positive, or positive, less positive, and less positive. Still, we'll reject here. Again, try to hold support here at 618. If we fail, man, we could be in for pain on Jeju, right? Let's check out ADA. Yeah, let's go check out ADA. ADA at $1.38. So that inverse cup and handle, right? Still building. So I think Andrew called this one out yesterday. He said like, oh, it's looking like an inverse cup and handle. I said, sure, let's draw it. Again, same thing, right? 1, 2, 3 falling peaks. We're failing to break that line. We're also failing to break the cup and handle lip, I guess we could call it. And I think this was from the 4 hour, right? That cup and handle. Just happened to go over to the 1 hour chart, but we're failing to break it, right? Look, we even pulled back up and still trying to be above this zone. Don't look like ADA wants to go lower right now, which is okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. We need to go lower sometimes. Negative, less negative to here, right? We're still coming in lower. So there is some strong bullish divergence. Neutral 41.33. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. This might be from the 1 hour. Yesterday I didn't anchor a lot of things, man. Particularly when we started drawing off the stream, right? So we're looking for the bullish divergence here. Played us to the upside a little bit, right? And right now it looks as though we're still holding this motion here. It's sideways, and we're coming in a little bit more. So in any case, what we could be looking for, ooh, I didn't want to do that. There we go. What we could be looking for is this, right? And that would be medium bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. And with that, we should be looking for potential action to the upside, right? It could be the reason that we're holding on to support. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, stuff from the 4 came over. Did I not anchor again? Probably didn't. It was a rhetorical question. Jesus. I hate when I forget to anchor, man. Let's get to that 1 hour chart. Again, low, lower here. This might have come over from something else. Weird. Oh, that was probably something else I was drawing. That was a neckline to break. Right, that was a neckline to break. I just didn't change the color for it because it's just moving sideways. So we'll just extend it. We'll make it blue. That way we're gonna keep track of it. There we go. was like, that's weird. And it looks like it was trying to draw divergence, but we weren't here yesterday. Now we're gonna make this yellow. It's too many lines. I know it's too many lines, but they do come into play, right? Negative, less negative, and low to high. Strong bullish divergence, right? Potential for action to upside. You're trying to make this go slightly higher. Make your chart full screen. Why do you want me to make my chart full screen? I can't, because I have stuff on the back of the screen that you can't see right now. Like I have the music player here on the side, right? Have other stuff over here as well, right? Look, dude, like that's there. Once I get my setup with more monitors, which I'm just waiting for my Visa arms to come in, I'm gonna be able to, make my monitor full screen, right? Lawrence says the bulls are too weak for the bears. Yes, they seem to be a little bit weak, but at least the move should get us to that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average is sitting at $1.40 right now, sitting at $1.39. Greg, what is up, bro? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
That's it for Ada. 41 people watching. Thank you for being here. Even chat is slow. There's not a lot of chat going on. So, this is what we have right now, right? I'm getting that action to the upside, which is fine. Does that mean Bitcoin's also going up? Yeah. Right. Going to mid that 20. But like, unlike ADA, Bitcoin doesn't have anything bullish here going on for it. This line no longer plays, so screw that. So remember here we said potentially we could try to go and make it a regular head and shoulders. We have not gotten that shoulder to come up yet, right? Art and Yuck, like, dislike, comment, what have you. Yo, yeah, sure, man. Even if dislike is engagement, so I don't really mind. You can also join us on Twitter, guys. Remember, add this to the Crip1. 41 people watching, only 28 likes. Come on. Show some love. Hit them likes. Because if you do like the content that we're making here, you should hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? At least we can look at, yeah. Where are we at the gaps, man? Where are we at with the CME gaps? We're really not that far from where we left, right? We left on Friday at 35,284. We are at 35,680. It could be that, we moved down on Sunday, maybe to open up where we left off on Friday for the CME gap. That's it. Jeju pumping. Nice. Oh my God, it's going. It's going, trying to get above that 20, which is good. Oh, so the last thing we had was this bullish divergence that we call it, right? Hit the 20. Getting above it, very nice. 4 hour. And the 4 hour is meeting that 20 right now, right?
Biddy.
Gavin Goodrich says, Biddy. Yo, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is amazing. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you very much for being here. If you're still driving, please be safe. So what else are we looking for here, man? All right. So Jeju, Andrew, yes, it is pumping. Again, we didn't have anything bullish here. Like, I've been trying to draw this as somewhat different, but, even this line here, right? If I go from here to here, it would seem this might be the line we could be going for, I guess. Yeah, that's not the cleanest touch points, but Let's go with the body, so we can shift our ideas here a little bit. I was trying to look for like some kind of wedge pattern formation, but even here we're not getting it right. And there would we need to be going here somewhere, and then here it would be like a Bryden wedge of sort, right? Shorter term, we could be looking into, you know, some triangle consolidation happening here. Or we could even go here and say, yo, this is our short-term consolidation, right? And it could be within a triangle. All right, so just keep that in mind, man. It is pumping a little bit, but it's fine. Check out the 30 minutes. It will pump. Ali Al-Shamari. Check out the 30-minute for which project. Please give a little bit more like Bitcoin or Jeju Doge. The chief's drawing some line to cross, yes. Hey man, not looking too bad, right? Bitcoin, alright. Let's go back to corn again, like 18 more minutes. Here we go. Hitting that 20, rejecting slightly. Here went up, now starting to pull back down. Oh, dude, what is happening with the Bitcoin? There we go. Hit that 35,733. Are you looking for some divergence on the half hour? There might be. Not the 30 second. I don't want to see a 30 second. I want to see a 30 minute. Here we go. Right. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Are we doing anything here? Like, I'm not seeing anything here that will say, yo, pump, right? What are you looking at here that tells you it's going to pump? We're rejecting the 20 moving average, not for the first time, but for the second time already, or third time. So do tell, what are you looking at, man? Because you're saying it's going to pump, so you must be looking at something. Give me a clue as to what you're seeing here that might make it pump. Because that's a statement. It wasn't a question. So he said, check out 30 minutes, it will pump. But I'm seeing rejection happening at the 20. It might pump. I'm not saying it's not. That's what I'm asking. Like, what are you looking at? So I can get a clue and see if I'm missing something, because I'm not seeing anything here as a pattern. So I guess there's nothing. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see that rejection happening again. Oh no, we were going up in rejection. Man, it's like he was going to go with the ball up to the hook, and someone jumped and, you know, like smacked it out of his hands. Consolidation, yeah, it's consolidating, man. Last time I did the same thing before go up on the 6 and 13. Nice. Having crypto 007. Consolidate. Yeah, it's consolidating, dude. It is consolidation, right? We're just moving sideways. That's precisely what consolidation means. We're moving up and down without defining any way, and we're just ranging. I didn't want to go with consolidation again because that was the title from yesterday's stream. It's just like, you know, Bitcoin has not really been doing a lot, right? I know. That's just how it feels like. I can't get up. I'm too weak. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to pump. You know, I'm weak. Look, Bitcoin has been ranging for about a month, right? And since we dropped down and hit that 30K level here, all this is sideways motion. Let's go to a cleaner chart so you can see what I'm talking about. All of this, right? All of this nothingness that we've done, right? We can even say from here it's too high. We could go somewhere around here and say, yo, from here to here. I'm using the bottom here. Look at that. All of the moves, right, are here. We're just done nothing. And that was on May the 20th. And that is tomorrow, right? Father's Day. So for a month, we just done nothing on Bitcoin, just sideways motion, consolidating. Right? How do you get that figure in the bottom? Got it from I can't remember what website. Coin something or something. I can't remember the name. I got it from a website though. Look for Bitcoin ticker. You'll find a couple websites. It's an $8,000 range. I know it's a huge range, but that's the range we're in. I've been saying that, right? Look, even here on this chart, on the 4 hour, we've drawn it. Look, ever since, you know, it's went up, down, but within that range. And that is, again, since the 19th to 20th, right? And I've told you guys, we are within a very boring range here for the Bitcoin. Here, I think I shifted it down by accident, but we should be looking at something like this. No, it's still a freaking range. I really don't care. It's about $8,000 still. Like, it doesn't change anything. It's just moving sideways. Percentage-wise, it is a big range because you can make very nice. You could have made a very nice place here, but look, we're talking about a drop from around here to around here. That's an 18% range, right? To the downside and to the upside, 23%, right? So it is around the 20% range that Bitcoin has been moving with it. It is a lot of percentage-wise, right? It's almost a quarter of its value. It's 1/5 of its value. When you think about it, it is a large range. I know the moves are not scary for people in the crypto sphere, but you know, it is a very sizable range, right? Still waiting for it to break. And we've been saying that for a while. That's why my titles, I can show you the titles I've used. And this is because we're getting a lack of definition, but I'm gonna try to make these large icons. Let's go with today's. All right, so this today, will Bitcoin recover? Bitcoin still ranging. Bitcoin consolidation continues. Bitcoin consolidation. Will Bitcoin break resistance? Will Bitcoin rally continuation? Crypto keeps struggling. Bitcoin pump or dump? Where will Bitcoin go? Will Bitcoin crash again? Bitcoin, can crypto rally? Can the roller coaster continue? You know, can it recover? Indecision continues. Indecision, roller coaster, crypto pump. You know, ever since, you know, we are getting that indecision, right? And that's why the title's like, it's like, what do you call your stream when nothing's moving? It's like, oh yeah, we're consolidating part 50, right? Moves when we sleep, yeah. SPX. I haven't looked at SPX, dude. Is it over? No, it's not over. It's not over until it's over. Do you mean the S&P? Or are you looking for something else? Because you can give me more. Yeah, it took a drop. We talked about that yesterday, right? What? Didn't I have this one open already? I have it open somewhere else. Here we go. SPX. The drawings and say bearish divergence. Oh no. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing bullish. Right. Dear democracy shorting. Yeah, I could short. I'm not shorting or longing right now. I mean, that's the only way you can make some dough sometimes, right? Short and long when the market's like this, which it's range bound. So even with a small amount of moves, you could, depending on how many X's you're using, you could make something good. So yeah, shorting and longing would be the way to go. But for that, you would need to be looking at, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, something shorter than what we're looking at. Anyways, look at that. Yes, very, very nice to drop here on the FTSE also. Dow, similar stuff, right? Look at the Dow, man. Just went off a cliff. Low, lower, negative, more negative, or low, lower still. All right, West Texas, oil. Pumping a little bit. Dollar index high, right? Boom. We're looking for this, right? Last time we were looking for this was divergence. We dropped down. We had this line already, right? This line here that says, yo, bros. That line says, if we maintain support, we could be looking for a bounce, and that is what we got, right? Our support line was there. We did not break it. So we're bouncing because we broke this line. That was our bearish resistance line, our trend resistance, right? Bearish trend resistance. Breaking it puts us in a bull turn, on a bull trend, short-term bull trend. Created that bearish divergence, moved down, found support, right? And then we pumped. Whoa, there it is. One quick second. Oh, sorry, man. Forgot to put the music back, the mic back on. I heard some knocking at the door, and it was her wagging the tail and like hitting the door consistently. So, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. There we go. Or I'll go bite you. There we go. Yeah. Right. So, I'm just gonna close the door real quick. Yeah, there we go. I'm back. Yeah, she was hitting like the tail against the door, so we'll see. Right, Ellie, you're correct. No one is 100% sure ever of what the market's going to do. Nothing is guaranteed on trading. Otherwise, everyone would be freaking rich all the time. And trading wouldn't exist. You only look at percentages. There's a chance it might go up. Their chance might go down. We don't know, right? Yeah, when most people think things going to go down, it tends to do the opposite. I agree with you, man. So if you find someone tells you they 100% guarantee you it's going to go somewhere, we'll see. All right, that's when things get interesting. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be it for tonight. I think I'm going to do it for tonight. My throat is been feeling weird since yesterday. Like I said, there might be or might not be a stream tomorrow. Yet to be determined. It's going to be Father's Day. I might be here. I mean, my kids are going to be asleep, so I might be here just depending on how tired I am from the day. But thank you guys for being here. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for joining and, you know, doing those awesome things that you should do when you join someone's stream and hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub, right? Those awesome things. Again. Imagine owning a DeLorean. Imagine going back in time and buying some crazy amount of Bitcoin, right? And be like, go back to 1999, go back to 2009 and say, yo, buy lots of Bitcoin for yourself right now. Start mining actively, right? And then stay away from a guy called Novogratz, and then also when Elon starts tweeting, sell everything. Something like that would be awesome. Anyways, Julio Oz, thank you very much for being here. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Instead of Crypto. I am your host, Martin. It was a pleasure being here on this awesome Saturday night. You can join us on Twitter. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that we do here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Please, again, don't trade based on what we see and what you see here. And yeah, on that note, that is it. I'll catch you again tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, for another edition of State of Crypto. Yet to be determined. Stay tuned on the Discord, man. Yeah, I'll see you then, guys.